हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू ऑर्थोनॉमिक्स। आज की वीडियो में वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी सर्कुलर फ्लो ऑफ इनकम but with financial markets. What is circular flow of income? Circular flow of income is the transfer of income between households and firms in case of two sector model. But जब हम बात करते हैं financial inclusion की, या जब financial market which is also known as capital market comes into play, then the cycle somewhat changes. Now the outer circle is denoting the real flow and the inner circle is denoting the money flow. What is the real flow? Flow of factor of production from households to firm and flow of goods and services from firms to household. ये हमें पता है, that works in case of two sector model. And then in return, factor payment is paid to the households as factor income, and that factor income is spent on the purchase of goods and services as consumer expenditure. इन केस ऑफ टू सेक्टर मॉडल विदाउट फाइनेंशियल मार्केट, ये पूरा का पूरा फैक्टर इनकम कंप्लीटली कंज्यूम हो जाता है इन फॉर्म ऑफ कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर. तो फैक्टर इनकम कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर के बराबर होता है. बट जब हम बात करते हैं फाइनेंशियल मार्केट की, तो हम कहते हैं कि हाउस होल्ड्स कुछ पार्ट ऑफ देयर इनकम को सेव कर लेते हैं इन टू दी बैंक्स और एनी काइंड ऑफ फाइनेंशियल मार्केट. नाउ लेट अस सी द फीचर्स ऑफ फाइनेंशियल मार्केट. फर्स्ट इज फाइनेंशियल और कैपिटल मार्केट are the various financial institutions like banks that acts as a link between the savers and the investors. So household would be the savers and some of them are investors that will invest in the firms. Savings of the households as well as firm goes into the financial market, and it is assumed that no part of the saving remains idle. मतलब households अपने घर में कुछ सेव करके नहीं रखेंगे, वो सारा पैसा अगर सेव करेंगे तो financial market में ही सेव करेंगे. ये एक assumption है. Both the firms and financial market can also borrow from the households. Households भी borrow कर सकते हैं बैंक के थ्रू लोन्स लेकर, और फर्म्स भी. नाउ देर इज़ अ पॉइंट दैट टू बी नोटेड इज के नाउ विद द फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन या द इंक्लूजन ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर, जो पेमेंट है हाउस होल्ड्स की आर नो लॉन्गर completely spent into the consumption expenditure, and the part of payment received by the household is kept in form of saving, and that saving is channelized into investment. Here you can see this saving is channelized into investment into the firms, है ना? Saving of households and investment into the firms. So this is all about circular flow of income with financial markets. It is not much different from simple circular model or closed economy. In the next video, we will discuss circular flow of income in 3-sector model and then the 4-sector model. So stay tuned, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thanks for watching.